Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a drop-down menu on your Shopify store. So this is my sample store, and as you can see in the collection menu, there is products menu, and also in the product there is men's clothing and women's clothing. And if you want to create the menu like this, I will show you how step by step. It's gonna be quick and easy. So first you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to your content menu here. And then in the content there's menus, you can click it, and then you can go to your main menu. And as you can see, this is my menu items. So first I will add new menu item here, and I will type men's clothing. And then for the link I will choose products. This is just for example, all products, and click save and add new one, women clothing. And then also this is just for example. I will go to products and all products and click save. And then if you want to add the drop down, you can just drag, hold and drag like this. So I want to add products under collection, so I will just hold the products menu and drag to the right like this. Oops, like this, and it will under collection. And also you can drag the men's clothing to under product like this, and it will be under products. And also for the women's clothing, I will just hold and drag to under product like this. So yeah, and then just click save here, and it will be like this. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.